We have scientists stating that they have created a new form of water called this superionic ice, which is both a solid and a liquid. They're saying that this strange matter doesn't exist anywhere on Earth, but it could be found on Uranus and Neptune. We have researchers from Lawrence Livermore National Lab, this is at the University of California, saying that they carried out a series of these experiments. They consisted of laser-driven shock compression experiments that basically squeezed and compressed the ice or the water into a different state of matter. It was placed under extreme pressure and heat, is how they put it. Very challenging experiments. They say it took 2 years to set this whole thing up for all the testing, and then another 2 years just to analyze everything. But they say that this ice was created by compressing water between two diamonds at a level of pressure 25,000 times greater than air on Earth. They say the water then turns into a kind of ice called ice VII, which is solid at room temperature and 60% denser than water. The compressed ice is then hit with a laser light, causing intense shock waves, as well as increasing the temperatures around it to thousands of degrees. They're saying that the heat melts the bonds between hydrogen and oxygen atoms, while the high pressure allows for the oxygen in its atoms to be kept into a solid stack as the liquid hydrogen ions flow through. Now, of course, they just published these findings in Nature Physics, but other people are going to want to see more proof. It's going to have to be peer-reviewed. And okay, let's say they're doing this. Let me add this to all the talk here recently of what they've discovered just on Mars, or what they say they discovered. And I know, all the lies and BS. Trust me, I believe there was an ancient war on Mars, ancient battle, and all the evidence is scattered right there. Everything we get is so photoshopped. How come we never go to the moon? That's right there. Elon Musk can stick these rockets on platforms in the ocean. Can't stick one on that moon, can you? It's a joke. You know, we know we're lied to. But there are technologies, there are advances that are being made that are no joke, that are real deal. So, you know, with this one, I wanted to make note of it. This new state of matter in terms of the water. And then I'm hinting at Uranus and Neptune. And all the questions, what do they know about those places that they're not saying? But in terms of this finding, thought it was unique and interesting. I'm going to leave a link below. I will continue to update if I find anything else like this. It's been Dabu7. Peace.